welcome back to Drawing for Kids. To start off, let's go over what material you'll need. You need some Crayola markers, which you can use any color markers that you like. Next, you also need some paper. In addition to that, you'll need some black markers, such as Sharpies. Okay, so as I'm going along, I'll go step by step on how to draw this character, but I really like to invite you to add your own little twist to it to make it your own. There's no pressure to necessarily draw exactly what I have, but let's use that as a guidance to see what we can come up with. As always, remember to add in a little bit of your imagination to make it your own. You can do this drawing with your family and friends, and at the end of it, maybe check out how everybody's drawing turned out at the very end. Are you ready? So we're gonna get started.
For today's drawing, we'll be doing a Christmas piece. I know it's not exactly Christmas yet, but I figure why not? We can always prepare ahead of time, and this could be a good opportunity to practice our drawing before Christmas comes along. Okay, so starting with our black marker, we're gonna do a Christmas spirit today. Starting off the year, it's like a half circle, and then the head. The tip is where the nose is gonna be. This is the back of the head. And then a small curve in the front for the chin of the bear. And then I'm just coloring it black on the very tip of the nose. Next, I'm going to do the scarf for the bear because it's winter time and it's cold outside. So here is the scarf that will wrap around the bear's neck. And then I think the scarf is just going to be a little bit flowy behind, as he is planning to be skating on ice with presents. At least that is my plan. Next, I'm going to have the bear's arms outreached like so. And then I'm just going to draw a couple boxes to symbolize where the present's going to be that they're holding. You can stack up your presents to be really tall. It could be several different presents, all of different shapes and sizes if you like. I'm just going to do little boxes of some rectangles and some squares. For yours, you could have a present that is oval shaped. Maybe it's a giant chocolate egg. That could be something to consider. Next, I'm going to do the body, the lower body of the bear. There's the body. It's like a big round curve. There's one leg for the bear. Two parallel lines. And I'm going to do boots for the bears because it's going to be skating boots. So some skates. And then the other skate's going to be in mid-air as he's stepping through the ice, zooming past all of the trees perhaps. Here are the skates. And I'll do the same on the other side as well. So that's the basic outline of our bear on skates on his way to deliver some presents wherever it may be. I'm going to draw the ground as well. I imagine it'll be on ice, so I don't know if I'm going to do a background for this one in particular. But of course, I have my eyes for the bear closed, and for you, you could have your eyes for your bear open. Maybe he's blinking, maybe he's smiling. I'm also going to do some ribbons to symbolize the gift wrapping for the bear. It could be ribbons. Imagine when I color this, I can do lots of different patterns for the wrapping paper, and that will be so much fun. Okay, so just adding in more wrapping. Okay, so I think I have most of what I want to do. I think the patterns I'm not going to draw in with my black markers. I'll just coloring with my markers instead. So are you ready to color? I think this is going to be one of my favorite parts. Okay, so here I'm just going to grab my first marker. It's going to be a red marker. I feel like red is so festive for Christmas. You have to include it in a Christmas drawing. So I'm going to use the red to draw stripes for the scarf. Of course, for the scarves, you can have a polka dot scarf if you want, or a scarf full of snowman, or maybe like Christmas trees or mistletoes. That can be other ideas that you may want to have for your scarf. And then I'm going to use the red to color in some stripes on the wrapping for some of the presents as well. So it's looking quite Christmassy already with the red and white. But I'm thinking I'm going to add a couple of other colors, probably a green next. What do you think? Of course, this painting or this drawing is intended to be a more of like a Christmas card or a Christmas present, maybe for a sign that you're doing. But I can see you making this into like a regular card if you maybe got rid of the skates that the bear is on. It's just making a present delivery for a friend's birthday. That could be an option. So here you can see I'm using an olive green and painting in polka dots for the presents. It's coming along quite nicely. If you don't like green, you can always do blue polka dots as well, or a combination of rainbow polka dots on the presents. I'm going to use the same green to do opposite stripes to the red that's already on the scarf. I imagine for this bear, probably leave it white. I think it'll be a really cute white polar bear. But who's to say you can't have a pink bear or a blue bear? Any color bear of your choice. But for now, I think for Christmas, maybe a nice white polar bear would be really cute. Now I'm getting this lime green to color in the wrapper or the gift wrap for some of the other presents, just more stripes. Of course, we can always do heart shapes or other types of gift wraps you can imagine. So here I'm coloring in the skates lime green. If you want, you can color in different colors or even add shoelaces to them if you want, or make them into hockey skates, depending on what kind of skates you would like. You can also consider adding a background, whether it is Christmas trees with lots of snow on top, or maybe there is a Santa Claus sleigh with those reindeers that are flying across the sky on the top. Those can also be options that you can consider adding onto the background so it's not as bare as it is right now. Beyond that, the other option is you can write a decorative calligraphy or just like note saying happy birthday or Merry Christmas in the background, depending on what occasion you're drawing this for. But there's just so many different ways to play around with this drawing, and there's just so many ways that you can add different combinations of color to this drawing. And it's one of my favorite things to do, to like add colors and pair and try different colors combination that I never would. And having all these presents and also the scarf, I think like it's a good opportunity to play around with the different colors that you have at your disposal. Now, if you're thinking of like trying out something completely different than just markers, you can also use different types of art mediums. You can use scraps of gift wraps that you have received and then cut them into the shape of the presents and then glue them on. That could be an option as well, to add different types of media and paper or felt onto the piece. Now originally I said that I was just gonna leave the bear white to make it a polar bear, but as I'm coloring this I realized the background is white as well, which makes it kind of bland for the bear to be white just like the background. So I decided that, you know what, I'm just gonna color in the bear maybe like a light brown or orange color, which I really like that pop of color with the white background in the back. Don't you think so? If you want another idea, I'm just thinking off the top of my head right now, is that you could consider adding pants to the bear if you want as well. I can imagine the bear being so cute with a pair of overalls or maybe a pair of jeans or long johns or maybe just a polka dotted underwear. I think that will be really funny as well. So those are some options to consider to make your drawing unique and something of its own. You can also choose to draw on a jacket for your bear. Maybe the bear is cold even though it has fur. So those are some ideas beyond pants, jacket. You can always add on a toque or a wool hat for your bear or a beret. Your bear can also choose not to hold presents, maybe like a basket of fruits, maybe a bouquet of flowers would be really nice if you're doing a get well card. So those are all ideas that you can play around with if you were to do this drawing again. Well, that's it for today, for today's drawing with Sharon video and the step-by-step easy guide on the skating bear Christmas theme. Well, thank you so much for joining me, and until next time, stay safe and stay creative, everyone. Bye for now.